As per Article 13 Clause 1, जितने भी pre-constitutional laws हैं, if they are inconsistent with the fundamental rights under Part 3, shall be void to the extent of such inconsistency. मतलब पूरे लॉ को इनवैलिड कंसिडर ना करते हुए लॉ का सिर्फ उतना ही पोर्शन जो कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स को वॉयलेट करता है, सिर्फ उसी पार्ट को वॉइड डिक्लेयर करते हुए रिमेनिंग पोर्शन को एज इट इज रहने देते हैं और उसे वैलिड कंसिडर करते हैं. So for the purpose of Article 13 of Indian Constitution, we use a doctrine, and that is the Doctrine of Severability or Separability, which literally means separation. So the Doctrine of Severability in the Indian Constitution allows courts to separate the valid parts of a law from the invalid ones. Let's say there is a law that contains two sections. One section is valid according to the Constitution and the other one is not. So the court following the doctrine of severability can declare the invalid part unconstitutional while upholding the rest of the law. So in order to understand this context well, let's see an example. So imagine there is a law about traffic regulation that says in section 1, all vehicles must have a valid registration, and in section 2 it says that all red cars are prohibited. Now, if the court find the section 2 that is prohibiting red cars contradicts the constitution, let's assume it violates the right of property. So using the doctrine of severability, the court can declare section 2 invalid while keeping section 1, as it does not conflict with the constitution. So this way, the rest of the law remains in effect, ensuring that vehicle must be registered without the unconstitutional part prohibiting red cars. Now there is a very leading case law where court has used the doctrine of severability, and that is A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras. So in this case, the Supreme Court struck down section 14 of the Preventive Detention Act 1950 on the ground that it is violative of the fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 22 of the Constitution. So this was all about the doctrine of severability. I hope this video has helped you understanding this concept. So I'll conclude the session here. Thank you for watching.